morning student. In this video I am going to explain about the role of functions in MS Excel. As we know that we already use the formula to calculate the Excel data sheet. Okay, so by using the function we can also calculate some average, maximum, count, sum, etc. So what is function in Excel? A function is in a inbuilt formula. Function is what? It is a inbuilt formula which is available in Excel, Microsoft Excel, from which you can perform a different calculation in your worksheet. So we can say that functions are the ready-made formula that perform series of operation on specified range of values. So there are many types of functions available in Excel. Okay, some examples are average, count, maximum, sum. Okay, so when we want to calculate the functions, then we should apply some specific type of functions. So what is the use of functions? Function is used to calculate various arithmetic functionalities. जैसे categories like categories of cube, date and time, engineering. Okay, financial functions are also available, information function, logical function, mathematical and trigonometry function, statistical functions. So many functions are there available. Some common functions are we are using that sum, round, count, average, minimum, maximum, median, PMT. All these functions are used to calculate different data sheet in Excel. Okay. In later classes we will discuss all this but today I am going to explain how function is used for sum. हम लोग सीखेंगे कैसे sum के लिए हम लोग function use करते हैं. So अभी हम लोग practical इस चीज़ को चलते हैं. Let's come to the practical. I have a data sheet that contains the name of the children's and their roll number and their marks obtained in the examination. So we must have to calculate the total. Then how can we calculate the total? In earlier classes I have described about the using formula you can calculate the total, but in this video I am going to explain how we use the function to calculate the total of the marks. Then select the cell where you want to calculate the total, go to the fx. Here the fx is basically used to insert function, so click on it. Okay, and then a dialog box comes here. Select the function which you want to use on that particular cell. So if we want to sum, we want to get the total, then we select the sum function. Okay, it is already selected. Then click on OK, and here this is the number 1, number 2. You can put number 1, number 2 also. That means if you have to sum the two numbers, then you have to put here the cell address in number 1 and number 2. But if you want to get the complete range of numbers to be added, then simply select the numbers that you have to be added. Select, let's suppose here I am getting selected the English marks, and then drag it till the last subject marks. So here we will get the cell address value range, that is from C3 colon G3. That means we are going to calculate, we are going to add from C3 to G3. Okay, now click on OK. You will get the total amount. You will get the total number of the marks. Similarly, if you have to fill all those students marks, total marks here, then you have to select on the lower end side. We get a plus sign and then simply drag it. Then we will find here that all the marks, total marks of these students have been put here. In this way we can say that we can use the functions in Microsoft Excel. I hope so all students can understand these functions. How can we implement the function in the Microsoft Excel? So thank you very much students.